Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to install the VMware WorkStation software. So in my laptop I have already installed the VMware WorkStation tool. Let me open that. Once I open this VMware WorkStation, okay, I'll go to the home page, the tab, and in the home tab you see three options. One is create a new virtual machine where you can continue with the new virtual machine creation. Second is open a virtual machine, means if you already have a stored VMDK. From there you can just browse it and create the VM. And if you want to RDP to some other server, you can use the third option. So in my case, I'll click on the first option, create a new virtual machine, and the wizard will start. Then select the custom option and say next. This is also nothing to do with, it's a compatibility thing. So next, and here I'll use this third option. I will install the operating system later. And then here I want to install the Windows Server operating system, which is my Server 2016. If you want any other operating system, you can just browse it and select it. I am selecting Server 2016 and I will say next. And since I'm promoting this server to a domain controller, I would like to rename this as a naming convention standard. So DC01, I will do that and I will say next. Okay, so it says already available. So what I'll do, I'll quickly go to the desktop documents, virtual machines. Here DC01 is there. Let me delete that DC01. Yes. Now, if we say next, it says yes. It took now. So BIOS, you can select whatever you want. You can continue the BIOS only. Say next. Don't do any changes in the processor configuration. Just go with the default one and say next. And here you need to select how much memory you want to use or RAM you want to select for this VM. So in my case, I have 16 GB of memory maximum, and the recommended is 2 GB, but I would like to go for 4 GB because I have enough memory. So performance is also good. So I'll say next. This one is NAT by default, nothing to do with. Also this IO controller also go with the recommended value, nothing to change. And the disk type is also nothing to change. Here you have to select the create a new virtual disk if you want to freshly create a new disk. So click on the first option and say next. And the recommended maximum disk is 60 GB. What you can just go with the 60 GB. You can create 50 GB for C drive and 10 GB for D drive or the data drive. And don't forget to select the store virtual disk as a single file so that the whole 60 GB will be storing as a single file. And say next. See, this is your VMDK DC01.VMDK. Say next and finish. Once you click on finish, okay, your virtual machine is ready now. See, my virtual machine called DC01 has got 4 GB memory, processor is 2, hard disk is 60 GB, and it has got a CD or a DVD option, all this by default options. Okay, that's all about the how to create a virtual machine. Thanks for watching.